the highest paid job by 2025. The future holds promise. The job market evolves, adapting to technology and global trends. By 2025, data scientists will lead unprecedented growth in data generation, requiring expert navigation. AI specialists follow close. As machines get smarter, we need minds that understand them. Next are professionals in cybersecurity. In our digital world, their role in safety is undeniable. Healthcare professionals remain crucial. Advanced roles in genetic counseling and gerontology offer attractive salaries. Lastly, sustainability experts are rising. As we prioritize our planet, they become indispensable. Harness these insights, prepare for 2025. Embrace the evolution, secure your future.